I'm Gaynor and today I'm going to show you how to make a stash bag. What is a stash bag, you might ask? Well, a stash bag is a bag made up of lots and lots of different bits of yarn from your stash. If you're like me and you've been crocheting for years, your stash has become probably more like a room full of yarn rather than just a small corner. Here's a really big one I made, and the size depends on how big you make your flat circle. So if you have a small circle, you're going to have a small bag, medium circle, medium bag, etc. So this was a really big flat circle that I made so that I had a really nice big bag. And nestling inside this big bag of mine is another bag. This is going to be a bit like Russian dolls. And within that bag, I've got another bag, and so on. And it shows you that you can actually make a bag of any size, and they're going to keep getting smaller and smaller. How many do you think are in here? I don't even know myself, I can't remember. To give you an idea that you can just use up, and I have used up quite a bit of my stash with these, and I've still got some left, down to the little baby one. So I'll get the big one, if I can find it now. There's the big one. There's the little one. So that probably uses, I don't know, 50 or 100 grams.